Explain me about knowledge, skills, and abilities. 1. Knowledge, skills, and abilities. KSA are important components often used in hiring. 2. Performance appraisals and professional development in various fields. Here's a breakdown of each. Knowledge. This refers to the information. Concepts. 3. And understanding that an individual has acquired through education, training, or experience. 4. Knowledge can be specific to a field, like medical knowledge for a doctor, or broad, like general knowledge of business practices. 5. It is cognitive and can be assessed through tests, degrees, or certifications. 6. Skills are the practical real-world competencies that an individual possesses and can apply in tasks. 7. They can be divided into 2 main hard skills. These are teachable abilities or measurable proficiencies. For example, programming, data analysis, or foreign language proficiency. Soft skills. These are interpersonal attributes that enable someone to interact effectively and harmoniously with others. For example, communication, teamwork, and problem-solving. Abilities. Abilities refer to the innate or developed capacities to perform tasks or understand concepts.